Hello there, my name is Celcio, and on this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add your webmail account to Outlook. Okay, so when you get to Outlook, provided that you already have different email addresses there, even if it is a new Outlook account, the goal is to go to you can go to File, or if it is a Mac, you can go to Outlook and then go to Settings. If it is Windows, check for File or Accounts. Okay, so let's see. If I go to Outlook and I click Settings, I can go to Accounts, and then I'll have this button to add a new account. But if I right click on any of the emails that is already added, if you already have an email address there, if I go to account settings, okay, I will also get to this point where I can add a new account. And also from this button here, if you have the latest version, if you click, you can also add email account from there. So the goal is to get to this screen here. Okay. Okay. So because from here, when I go to accounts, add, it takes me here. This is where we need to go to get. Okay. Once you are here, add an account, you'll put your email address. I'll be using a demo email from Most Desenhos just to show you how this is done. Okay. So demo at mostdesenhos.com. I'll click continue. Okay, still working. Good. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, it will ask you if this is an exchange account. No, this is not. This is an IMAP account. So we'll say that is not exchange. Okay, from here, we know that this is not Google, is not any of those things. So we'll say IMAP. Okay, then we say, we click sign in. Okay, from here, let's just see here. From here, we provide, so you get the email address that is already filled in. The IMAP user is the same as the email address. Okay, and then the password. Okay, the password is the password provided by your admin, or the guy in charge, or the guy that is taking care of the emails or anything for the corporation, the IT guy. Okay, he will provide you with the password. Okay. Okay, so the password, I've got it here. So newer versions of Outlook will populate all the fields, will configure everything automatically. But in case it doesn't work out, because sometimes it fails, and sometimes, if it is an older version of Outlook, it will not do this automatically for you. So for all the versions of Outlook, if you go straight to the advanced settings, always remember that the IMAP, this is very important. Okay, the IMAP incoming server is always mail dot your email, sorry, your domain name. Okay, your IMAP incoming server, as well as the SMTP outgoing server, is the same, is mail dot the domain name that you have. If your company is cookies.com, it will be mail.cookies.com. Okay, and then username, both for the IMAP username and the SMTP username, is the email address. Okay, and the password. The password is the same as, the IMAP password. The SMTP password is the same password. Is your email address password. Okay, let me add it here as well. So once you have all of this information filled in, also don't forget about the ports. For the incoming server is 993. Okay, and for the outgoing server is 465. And then the encryption needs to be SSL. Okay, you have a few options here. Everything was done automatically, but if it's not, don't forget that is SSL. Okay, then for the outgoing server is also SSL, and the port number is 465. Once you have everything, configured, if it was a manual configuration, you'll just push add account. Okay, and that's it. Nowadays, Outlook gives you profiles and things like that. If not, you can even skip if you don't need this. If you want to organize your emails into work, school, and stuff, family, okay, you can do that as well. I'll put it in work, and then you can see that the account has been added. I can close this. I no longer need this. I can close this, and you can also see that the email address has been added here. You can now use it as a normal as any other email you would use, that you would use on Outlook. You can send, receive emails. You can even add email signatures to it. Okay, perfect. Anything? Send me a leave a comment, like, tips. If you see anything that we can improve on, if something is not clear, please leave a comment, as this is how we grow, and by growing we would be able to help more people and provide even clearer tutorials. Thank you for your time, and I hope that this tutorial helps you configuring your webmail account to Outlook. Cheers. Bye bye.